Today we will be doing adders and subtractor using logic gates. So realization of half adder and full adder and half subtractor and full subtractor using logic gates. So the components required here is 7400, that is NAND gate, 7404, 7408, 7486 and 7432, patch cords and trainer kit. So as you all know half adder, how it works. So let us come with the circuit. Half adder using basic gates. So this first circuit we will be doing here, we will be realizing it. Now for this one XOR gate, the IC number is 7486, you can see here it is 7486. So I will be placing this IC in the IC trainer kit. So you, as I have told before, that this notch should be at the starting. So I will close this one. So this IC is AND gate. As I have already shown the circuit, so we want XOR gate and AND gate. So always you have to connect ground, that is pin number 7 should be grounded, and pin number 14. So as this is pin number 7, so this becomes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this one will be 14, that is given to the VCC. In the same way for this socket, again pin number 7 will be ground and pin number 14 will be VCC. Okay. So now as A, B are inputs, A is connected to 1, that is 1 is connected to the input, 2 is connected to the input and 3 is output, that is sum. So for XOR gate, pin number 1 is connected to the input. These are the inputs. So it is connected to inputs. So pin number 2 is also connected to input. Okay. So now pin number 3, that is XOR gate. Pin number 3 XOR gate is output, that is sum. So pin number 1 from XOR gate is connected to pin number 1 to the AND gate. Pin number 2 of XOR gate is connected to pin number 2 of AND gate. In the same way, next 3 is connected to output, that is carry. These are outputs and these are inputs. So what it is, pin number 1 of XOR gate is connected to pin number 1 of AND gate, and pin number 2 of XOR gate, either you can connect to XOR gate or you can connect to the input side, and 3 is output, that is carry. So now if it is 0 0, 0 0 means you will be having the truth table 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. In the same way 1 0, 1 1 0 1. So 1 0 is 1 0, 1 1 is sum is 0 and carry is 1. So this is the truth table. 0 0 means sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 1 means sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now we will be seeing half adder using NAND gates. So first I will tell how is the connection. Seeing the pin configuration of the NAND gate, you have to write the pin numbers over here. So as you have already known, in one IC you will be having 4 gates. So that is 4 gates, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 gates in one IC you will be getting. One more IC you have to take for this connection. So altogether you will be having 2 ICs. So here I have written the pin numbers, seeing the pin configuration of the NAND gate, that is 7400. So pin number 4 is connected to pin number 1 of the same IC, 2 to 10, 9 and 5 is shorted and it is connected to 3, 6 is connected to 12, 8 is connected to 13, 11 is given to output, that is yes, 3 is given to output, that is carry. Okay, and 4 and 10 or pin number 1 and pin number 2 is connected to the input side. So here 1 and 2 of the second IC. So this is one IC and this is the other IC. So pin number 1 and 2 is shorted. Okay, and from pin number 2 it is given to 9 or 5. And pin number 3 is output, that is carry. As I have told, half adder using NAND gates. So the connection is done as shown in this circuit diagram. That is pin number 1 is connected to pin number 4. Pin number 4 of the same IC. Pin number 2 is connected to pin number 2 is connected to 10 of the same IC. Okay, and it is connected to the input also. So next 3 is connected to 5, 9 and 1 or 2 which is shorted here. Circuit. As it is already explained, connection is done accordingly in this trainer kit. So now 0 0 means it is 0 0. If it is 0 1, it is 1 0. This is sum and this is carry. So 1 0 means 1 0. 1 1 means 0 1. So this is half adder using NAND gates.